Hello everybody, welcome back to Bob channel. Today I am working on changing oil for LEXUS 200T. This is the RAM that I'm going to be using. Also I'm using socket number 14 to loose the bolt, and here's the bolt. Drain your oil completely. To help facilitate the flow, move the oil cap and put the bolt back on. Now working on the oil filter. There's a special tool to put in the back of that oil filter to help drain the oil. It's a little messy, just be careful. And then remove the tube, put the cap back on, then remove oil filter. Replace the seal on the bottom and the top. Put back the filter housing onto the car. Hand tight first. Then I am using special tool to tight but not over tight. Put the engine oil back onto the car, and that's as far as oil that I put. Cannot pass the second dot. Set a reminder for the next oil change and recycle your oil. Thank you for watching.